Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add files in Microsoft Teams. So, at first, what you have to do is just go to your community and then just go inside any channel and just go to the Post in Channel option. In here, you'll get an option called Attach File. Just click on this. Then just click on Upload from this device. Then just search for the file that you want to upload. Just click on it and click on Open. Then if you want to type a message, just type it here. And there you go, the file has been attached and posted. But what if you want to send it in a chat? What to do then? Then just go to your chat. Then just go to any of the chats. From here, click on this attach files icon again. Click on the upload from this device. Then just select the file again and click on open. If you want to type a message, just type it here and click on enter. Then just give it some time, the file will be uploaded. And there you go. And basically that is how to upload files in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.